my birthday.
I'm Yeehaw! I wish I knew, Sydney. Okay, hello vlog. Welcome to the back of Sydney's car. So currently we're going to Walmart like we do every freaking time we're together. And we're gonna make pancakes.
Yeah, birthday pancakes for Jeffrey.
For Jeff, that kid right there.
Hi.
Candles if you want.
Can we put them in the pancake?
Wait guys, we don't have a lighter.
We have to buy a lighter.
I have a lighter.
Yeah,
Why do you have a lighter, Kelsey?
For my candles.
Wow, are you smoking?
Oh yeah, she's got candles.
I have candles.
She's
I have candles.
a good noodle.
The first step of making pancakes is shopping. Walmart, yeehaw, with the squad. Yeehaw. Yeehaw. Summertime, corn, cob, yeehaw.
Kelsey said that we could vlog. We feel a little extra special today.
Turkey Perkins is taking over Kelsey.
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday, Jeff!
Oh, thanks.
Dude, it's Sacagawea.
And I have okay.
Sacagawea.
Sorry, Sacagawea led who? What was the two guys' names?
Lewis and Clark.
Lewis and Clark. So you're Lewis, and she's Clark, and she's Sacagawea.
Who's Sacagawea?
I don't know. You. Sacagawea.
No. Lewis and Clark and Sacagawea.
Oh no!
Wait, why are we talking about this?
Because you guys were like looking down at your thing so intently, I was like, he looks like Sacagawea leading, and then I couldn't think of the names.
How do you come up with
Yeah.
this up, Hannah? I'm so proud.
I don't know. I do well on this, but I don't do well on
Because they're white,
school.
and then I'm-
Kelsey just looks like she's ready to be out in the world with that cart. Go ahead and vlog.
We need.
Hi, Hannah.
How's it going? I want to be famous.
Hey, I want to be famous.
I was like, why are there so many people here in the summer?
Can someone like?
Look at this bottle.
I like it. He's slim thick.
Girl, she flipped.
She's slim thick.
I should. Here comes the sun.
Well, because, like,
Doo-doo-doo-doo.
Okay, we done. Going. We're leaving. We're bye. Okay, back in the apartment. About to make pancakes. Really excited. Let's go. Oh my God, Sydney, tell the story. What just happened?
No.
I took my car.
I have a problem like this at home. Like they literally won't let me be the last one to leave the house because I do this.
Wait, they don't like. Why? What about leaving your house?
The doors.
Hannah, you better lock that fucking this. Ooh. You better lock that
No,
this year.
literally, I'm great at locking doors. It's closing them that I seem to have a problem with.
So, we go to Walmart and then we proceed to go to Culver's, and we all get out of the car and we walk in and we enjoy our meal or enjoy our ice cream. And then we get back, we walk out to my car, and the freaking back door is wide open. Like my car is just like open, like the back door, and then Hannah goes, ah, it's so funny. And then I'm like, bitch, my door was open.
I didn't start laughing because it was humorous until I got in the car and saw that everything was there. At first, it was a nervous laugh because I was like, "Y'all are gonna kill me if the Bisquick is gone."
Or my car.
The Bisquick is gone.
Well, your car was sitting there. That's how we did that. The car door was open.
Oh yeah. So I mean, my car's fine.
Yeah.
I'm a little.
We're good.
I'm fine.
We're
I know.
good.
I know we're good.
We're
I'm
doing
just, like,
great. Let the cooking commence. 2. This is our batter. We got the first pancake going. I think I made her a little too thick, but that's okay.
Hello, Kelsey.
You want to look at this pancake? Film this pancake right here.
Make it the size of
Hashtag basic.
the be out here.
Bro, Jeffrey's got mad cooking skills.
Did you do it?
He flipped it. Watch.
It's like a bottle flip, but better.
Be careful, please. Don't get it on the freaking.
Whoa!
No.
Happy birthday. Yeah, look.
It's really burnt, but you know, It's our first pancake of the night.
Can I give my mom a quick shout out because low battery. She watches these and she's
Yeah.
like, could I be in the vlog sometime?
Yeah,
And
Hi,
I'm
Mrs.
like,
Hurst.
sure. Hello, Mom. This is me, and I'm giving you
What's your mom's first name?
Leslie.
We love Leslie.
So, hi, Mom. I love you. I'm gonna shout out my dad too, cause he deserves one too, and James.
I didn't put chocolate chips in it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
really hard.
Throws his back out doing whatever that is.
What is buttered flavor butter?
Don't move it. Travis.
Put it on the plate.
Fine. As soon as I flip it, hold my spatula.
I like that. That's really cool.
Oh wait.
These are my pancakes, and I'm going to eat them now. I have vegan butter, maple syrup, and bananas and strawberries, and there's chocolate chips in them. Vegan chocolate chips, of course. Time to take a bite. So good. Okay, I'm gonna eat this now, guys.